In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy and paste pictures from Google into PowerPoint the right way. This is one of the most useful basic skills for creating presentations for school, work, business, or even personal projects. If you've ever found a great image on Google and weren't sure how to quickly get it into your slide, this tutorial is for you. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process so you can do it in seconds. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. In the search bar, type in whatever image you're looking for. For example, it could be something like business meeting, world map, marketing strategy, or any topic related to your presentation. After you press enter, click on the Images tab at the top of the results page. This will show you a grid of pictures related to your search. Now scroll through the images and find the one you want to use in your PowerPoint presentation. Once you've found the image you like, click on it so it opens larger on the right side of the screen. Make sure the image is clear and high quality so it looks good on your slide. Next, move your mouse over the image, right-click on it, and from the menu that appears, click on Copy Image. This copies the picture to your computer's clipboard, which allows you to paste it into another application. Now that the image is copied, open Microsoft PowerPoint. Either open an existing presentation or create a new one. Navigate to the slide where you want the image to appear. Make sure you're on the correct slide before pasting. Once you're on the slide, right-click anywhere on the blank area of the slide. From the menu that appears, click on the Paste option. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste the image instantly. As soon as you paste, the image will appear on your slide. You can then click and drag to corners of the image to resize it. Make sure you drag from the corner handles to keep the image proportions correct so it doesn't look stretched or distorted. You can also click and drag the image to reposition it anywhere on the slide. If needed, you can use the Picture Format tab at the top of PowerPoint to make adjustments. From there, you can crop the image, add borders, apply styles, adjust brightness, or even add effects. This helps your presentation look more professional and visually appealing. One quick tip. Always make sure the images you're using are allowed to be reused, especially for business or public presentations. You can check image usage rights in Google by clicking on Tools under the search bar and selecting Usage Rights. This helps you avoid copyright issues. And that's it. That's how you copy and paste pictures from Google into PowerPoint quickly and easily. Open Google, choose your image, right-click and copy it, then open PowerPoint, go to your slide, right-click and paste. It only takes a few seconds once you know the steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.